Okay, so what we're going to do is that some of you might have seen the document we shared. We have 10 tools we've identified, and I'm going to go through those 10 and talk about them real quick. Then we will start using each one of them. We'll talk about them. Then I'll see the one we can quickly use, and we can kind of split it within ourselves. I don't want to go into all the details so that we'll have enough time to play with the ones that are actionable, okay? But let me show you the 10, okay? Let me share the 10 real quick. Then we can play around um, some of those 10. The ones that I know that, okay, these ones are big, then we can quickly jump on those ones. Okay, let me show you guys real quick. And feel free to vote and tell me which one should we spend more time on. Of course, you have access to this document. Play with it on your own. But let me quickly share and talk about this one real quick. Okay, if you guys can see here, this is the document, the top 10 AI tools to make us stand out. Okay, let's talk about the first one. The first one, we all know this so well. Some of us, we're all used to ChatGPT, amazing, equally great, fantastic tools, right? Um, but there's also another one called Cloudy. Cloudy is equally amazing. For those of us in the world of cyber, let me challenge you. If you do cybersecurity work, vulnerability management kind of work, incident response, any kind of work around that space, I will tell you, Cloudy is very good for reporting. The way it will put your report would be in such an amazing, incredible way that you would feel, oh my God, this is really very presentable. I don't know, some of you might have heard of the likes of the Big Four, McKinsey, IBM, Deloitte, Ernst& Young, Capgemini, all the big guys, right? In the past, we spent fortune to develop the quality of work that this cloud gives us. I'm not kidding you. Sometimes it's it blows my mind and I just pause and say, wow, what a time to be a professional in this world now. I'm telling you, some reports in the past that this cloud has generated for me, it takes me as a senior leadership with others, it takes us at least 1 week to come up with the final report. What this guy puts in the documents in less than 5 minutes takes us 1 week. I'm telling you. I mean, so it's kind of, it makes you feel, wow, wow. So for young professionals or new professionals, it's just amazing what these tools can do. So I'll just quickly show you guys a little bit of some of the things I've seen this amazing tool do. So you can, be the judge yourself and say to yourself that, okay, is this something that really, I mean, makes sense to you guys or not? Let me just share with you if I can see one of those tools so that you'll see the way the report came and the way, and I'll show you guys one. We'll just run the query together, for example. So let's say this is just an example. And again, the it's in the document I shared with you, but I'll just quickly share with us real quick so you can see what I'm doing. So all I'm doing here is that I said, okay, this is cybersecurity. It can be for anything else. We did an assessment. I said, okay, can you, give me a report based on what these folks scored? Okay. And this report is if you go to the back end of when you registered, everything is there. Okay. So don't worry. This same thing is also there. But let me show you guys what this report will look like. I'll let it be thinking, then we'll come back to the result. You would appreciate the way the report will come out. Now you can do the same thing with ChatGPT, by the way, right? Or any of these other tools. But from our community, we've seen Cloudy to be much more effective with management report for most businesses. So if you are thinking of management reports, leadership report, use Cloudy. You can use ChatGPT and all that too. Okay, I get it. But Cloudy has been very good. And I'll bring us back here. Okay, let's go back to while this guy is thinking, let's go back to the next part of the second tool out there. We'll just go through each one of the two. Then after that, we'll go to our working session. But let's go to the tool again real quick. The first one is Cloudy. Cloudy is thinking. Let me share with you the second tool again. The first one is Cloudy, okay, for everybody. Let's go to the second one. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this second one, I ask you, don't mess with this one. Everybody on this call, you just hit the jackpot, and I'm not kidding. If you use this well, you guys will be like rockstar. All right. How many of us have heard of Notebook LM? How many people? How many people, if you've heard of it, let me see your hand. Just tell me yes or no. Quickly type. How many of us have heard of Notebook LM? Let's see. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, awesome. All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's go. Okay, let me show you guys real quick. It depends on you, but this is what I typically would do, right? So let's say at the moment you're thinking of um, a strategy to make a community be more civic, to have civic knowledge, right? Civic knowledge to know your rights. Let's keep it to that. I can go to ChatGPT and say, okay, give me the steps to build a civic environment, an environment that is very civic, right? So let's go to ChatGPT. I'll show you guys real quick. So you can go to ChatGPT and just say, let me share my screen. All of us know ChatGPT, so that's easy. But this is what I do with that. Now you can, again, you can do it however way you feel comfortable. But let's say um, build a roadmap to teach a community their civic duty and rights, something like that. Okay, that's an easy one, right? Okay, let's keep it at that. So ChatGPT is awesome. It will give me some good roadmap on what we can do. Okay, very good, pretty easy, straightforward stuff, right? Now, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? We can we can use this a little bit to make it much more impactful. You know what we're gonna do? Let's ChatGPT do his thing. Just copy it here, right? Now, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We take it to another place called Notebook LM. And you know the good thing, ladies and gentlemen? Notebook LM is a tool owned by Google. Let me show you right now. It's simple, very simple tool. But this one is the most important one. I'll tell you, please. This one, everybody must play with this. Everybody, please, you must play with this one. Oh, you must play with this one. This one is virtually the most important, I think, for now. Okay, so let's come here, ladies and gentlemen. Go to create new, right? It gives you some option. You can upload the file. Am I sharing the screen? Let me see if I'm sharing that one. I think I am. Okay. So all you need to do, because I copied it, right? I'll just go to copy text. In my case, I'll paste. You can also upload the document. But in my case, I may just, make sure you clean it up a little bit, not too much. Then you can go to you can just then click on insert. Now, let me show you the superpower, ladies and gentlemen. The superpower are these two things. Can we all click on slide deck? Click on infographic. It's on beta version. Now, let's take it a step further. You're preparing for an exam, you're a student. You copy this question. What about you can also make it an audio? You can also make it a video to make it easy to understand. So let's say you're a medical student, you just have so much to do, so much paper. This is crazy. You're getting frustrated. Don't be. You have a lot of strategy documents. You want to put it together. Don't be stressed. Slam it here. You can convert it immediately to an audio. It will start talking to you. It will summarize it for you and start talking to you about the file there and there. It is crazy. You can see it's running now, it's thinking. So it might take like maybe typically like a minute and you see it come up. It's crazy. The first one that always come up is the infographic. You'll be surprised how it will summarize everything for you in the press of a button. Very amazing stuff. Now, while this guy is thinking, let me quickly go back to our cloud day real quick, okay? Let's quickly see what cloud is showing us. And don't worry, we still have time to quickly jump on our own one. Okay, let's show you guys what cloud it looks like. Okay, this is awesome. Let me show you guys what cloud it looks like. All right, let me share my screen. Remember the cloud was the one we were looking at earlier on? Ladies and gentlemen, look at what this document has done. Look at the report. Let me make it here. Can you all see this report here? I'm not sure. Do we need to click publish? We can publish and copy the link. So you can share the link if you want to also, but look at the document, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the document here. Can you see? It gave me the report, the executive summary, you know. the key findings, the critical concerns, talks about these priorities we should focus on, leadership recommendations. It even added and made it look so pretty for me to kind of see. All right. So you can see already that this guy is not playing games, right? Look at the way the report is looking already. These are things that the big consulting firms will pay, you charge thousands of dollars for, and look at the way it has already made it. The template looks amazing, really, you know. So, but this is what cloud is. For those of us that are in that space, these are tools that you can quickly use. Again, ChatGPT can do some work too, but cloud is really good with showing us good reports, make it pretty like professional, ready to go for consulting style. So it's a very good tool out there. So I recommend we always use Cloudy for that. Okay. While Cloudy is thinking, well, Cloudy is, let's go back to real quick to Notebook LM, everybody. Let me show you guys what that looks like real quick. It's crazy, man, but this is cool stuff. Come and see Notebook LM real quick. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. The first thing you're going to see is that the first one that is ready is the civic roadmap. Look at what this guy generated for us. You'll see it in a bit. Think about this. You know, it broke down everything that we just put together: awareness, confidence, participation, leadership, legacy. And it even gave us the roadmap 161. Look at the way it kind of consolidated it in an infographic. Is this not amazing? Let me see your thoughts. Type and tell me what your thoughts are if you are new to some of these tools. I mean, think about it. If you have a presentation, man, guys, you guys are rock stars already. I'm not kidding you. You guys are rock stars. Just own it. And you have every tool now to just be a rock star for real. No playing, no capping, for real. So you wait until you see the PowerPoint also. It will be equally amazing that you just say, "Whoa, this is crazy stuff." So that's still generating. But while that is generating, we've gone through Cloudy, we are on Notebook. Notebook is going to also create video for you, audio for you, and a slide deck that is very impactful. So let that be working while I jump into the third tool.